my hubby.
The cardinal on that tree. See it up there?
I don't. Where? Oh, I do.
She leaves me.
So pretty. So we are at Inks Lake State Park for the weekend with our homeschool co-op. We're tent camping, and I already messed up. But
what?
MacGyver fixed it.
It's okay. It's an opportunity to
solve a problem.
To solve a problem.
We have 2 tents. We're borrowing a tent from my parents. Me and the boys are going to sleep in. Then we have a single tent for Andrew, and I forgot one of the poles. But he
one of the 2 poles.
One of the 2 poles. But he totally used. What'd you use? The bungee cords to.
Yeah, I call it Freein tent.
The Freein tent. And I will show y'all how that's working in a minute. But we're here at Inks Lake State Park, Central Texas area. Are we northwest of Austin?
Yeah, west of Austin. Yeah.
West of Austin. It's absolutely gorgeous. We got some stand-up paddle boards that we are so stoked to try. We got 2 of them, so we're going to take those out on the water tomorrow, hopefully. And had some storms rolling in, but it's shaping up to be a pretty beautiful night.
I think it's supposed to be like 55 degrees tonight, which is perfect for tent camping.
Yep, we are excited. It's been an adventure. Normally RV is our style, but we are shaking it up a minute. A bit. A minute. I don't know.
It may just be a minute, depending on how the
it may be a minute.
Depending on how tonight goes.
We may be cutting it short, but I have a feeling it's going to go great.
Yeah.
What?
The itsy bitsy spider went up the little rig.
This is Time Church.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Ready to go paddleboarding?
Yes.
Wyatt, where are we gonna go? We're at Inks Lake State Park.
I want to see a lizard.
We're gonna take our paddleboards out on the water. You found a lizard?
Oh, yeah, don't chase it in the cactus. With barefoot.
Is it? Wild onions?
I don't think I could paddle that far out.
How does the bag feel?
That smells good.
Do they smell so good?
Yeah, they're green onions. This is a whole pack of green onions. There's green onions right there. Green onions. They like growing on onions.
You going that way?
Going that way. Down to the water. There's a little path.
Down to the water we go.
How does the backpack feel?
Feels great.
We got a really rocky terrain here. We're about to throw the paddle boards in the water. It's a beautiful day. Corbin, get away a little bit so she No, y'all are right. I can see.
Got it.
Corbin. Corbin. We had an absolute blast using the paddle boards. I think it's going to be our new favorite way to get out on the water. They were incredibly durable. They were so easy to inflate. Packing them up was incredibly easy as well. They come with individual carrying bags that are backpack style, so you can hike in with them. And they also come with repair kits, paddles, and then one of the boards has a kayak conversion kit, which is amazing, so we can use that one to go fishing in our tank or whatever we want to do. The paddle boards are also very lightweight. Andrew was able to carry both of them with no problem. I could lift him up, and Corbin was even able to maneuver the backpack without any issues.